welcome to a new video on electric vehicle technology. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a DT-based approach on how an electric vehicle works. So we have a group of students around us who are going to discuss how an EV works and how it is useful in our day-to-day life. So let's get into the video.
We are going to present an idea of how to reduce carbon dioxide emission using electric vehicles. So transportation is the major cause for this carbon dioxide emission. So the increase in fuel-based vehicles is the major problem for carbon dioxide emission. So we need a solution for this sustainable solution for this problem.
Carbon dioxide emission may be increasing due to the petrol and diesel vehicle usage. When the fuel is burned, it releases carbon dioxide. It leads to global warming, climate changes, and air pollution. Due to the carbon dioxide causes, we became a very important in real world problems today.
The electric vehicle is a vehicle that uses or that runs on the electric motor instead of fuel combustion engines. It stores the electrical energy in the form of batteries.
The idea is to replace the conventional vehicle with smart electrical vehicle. We also propose using solar-based charging system and battery swapping station, and to improve its efficiency and reduce the dependency on fossil fuels.
So the main problem here is with the conventional vehicles, we face first fuel extinction and then CO2 emission. So the solution for this two issues is replacing the conventional internal combustion engine with batteries and electric motors, that is running the entire machine with electricity. So here we have a demo model of an electric vehicle where in which we are going to discuss about how an EV works. Okay. So we have an EV, we have a battery, and the battery is connected to an electric motor, and then the electric motor converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is transmitted to the transmission systems, which is the powertrain, and then the transmission systems will be connected to the wheels, wherein which it makes the motor vehicle to run. So an EV, when we give power supply to the battery, it stores the supply and it makes the vehicle to move. So for efficient energy conversion, we have power electronic converters after the battery, which convert the feasible form of power, which means if the supplied power is a DC one, we will have a DC chopper. If we have AC, then we have an inverter. Based on the requirements, we use the power converter. The power converter will provide the required input to the electric motor so that we can get a desired output from the electric motor, which act as an electrical drive systems. So this electrical drive system which converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy is transmitted to the entire system through the powertrain. So now let's discuss about the advantages and disadvantage of this EVT.
So electric vehicles have many advantages, like they produce zero emission and it reduces pollution, and also they are highly efficient, and they also require low maintenance and support renewable energy sources.
So the main disadvantage is it takes huge charging time and lack of charging infrastructure, high initial cost, and battery disposal is also a huge challenge.
I would like to add on one thing, and even we have come up with a lot of innovations in battery management system and charge maintenance, fast charging and all. The lack of charging infrastructure in India is quite a major crisis for adopting to EV. So next, let me ask Komala to conclude this session.
Conclusion. In India, we have companies like Tata Motors. They also produces an EV vehicles. In India, some of the Delhi and Bangalore countries are in producing an electric buses to reduce air pollution. So we have solutions to reduce the pollution and build a green world. So we promise that electric vehicles can reduce the CO2 emission.
Thank you.